What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So my fan clutch, I'm a big truck, went out. The clutch lining burned up in it, and so even when it's locked on, the fan is free spinning and the truck's running hot. And so this video did not turn out very well. Something happened in rendering, and like the front half of the video got cut off, and then the back half of the video got cut off. So there's only like the middle portion. And I wasn't even going to post this video, but there's the second part that's going to be coming out with the new fan clutch and everything, and it's not going to make a whole lot of sense if I don't post this video to a lot of people that watch my channel. They're going to be like, well, what the heck happened to the first one? So anyway, so that's what this video is for. But basically, I had an old fan clutch in the junk pile from about 4 years ago, and the bearings had went out in it, but the clutch lining and front cover was still good. So I thought that I would take the front cover and lining out of it and put in the fan clutches on the truck and make it work for a while. Well, I broke the front cover trying to get the fan clutch that had the junk pile. I broke the front cover trying to get it off because it was rusted up, corroded up, sitting out in the rain and everything for 4 years. And so then all I had was the clutch lining. And you'll see when I took the thing apart in the video, you have a bunch of screws around the front cover, or the lining after the front cover. The front cover unscrews, it's left-handed thread. Then you have a bunch of torque screws around, and there's supposed to be a cage nut that you go and it holds the piston in because it's spring loaded. It's got a bunch of springs in there like valve springs, and your air pressure releases the clutch and it's spring engaged. And so you'll see that in this video. I'm not sure if you can hear what I'm saying in the video, how good the audio quality is. But anyway, you'll see that, and hopefully you can make heads or tails out of it, because like I say, the video did not come out very well. Something happened in rendering, and this is the only footage I got of it. But I figured I'd go ahead and show it. That way the new video that comes out is going to be a different style clutch, and you'll see the differences and whatnot in this video and that video, and it'll make more sense, I think. So anyway, let's get to the video, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, so this is the piston and the lining out of the old one, and I'm just going to stick the whole piston in there because the lining is kind of rusted too, or corroded to the piston there, because this thing's been laid out in the scrap pile for 4 years. So anyway, this is not really how you rebuild one of these. It's more like how you fix it and try to make it work to save $500 on a repair kit or rebuild kit. You can't buy just the lining. You have to buy the whole kit to convert this thing over to the new style. And I don't really want to spend $500 if I don't have to. Get something to go down on there. clamps over here I can pull this thing together with. It's supposed to be, like I say, a cage nut to hold this thing together with. When you buy the kit, I don't have one. T27 off. Oh well, I had them all tight anyways. get the grease off of the clutch lining, and could use a new front cover here. This thing is eat up. But I don't have one because I broke the old one. Alright guys, I got that sanded off. This thing is pretty well toast. It's not going to work very long at all, I can tell you that. This is a metal bonded onto aluminum, and you can see it's got so hot that the metal there is coming off of the aluminum. So that's not going to work very long at all, and but I'm going to go ahead and put it together anyways, and I'll probably wind up having to order that rebuild kit that I didn't really want to buy, but I thought this was worth a shot. So I'm going to go ahead and stick it together and see what happens, I suppose. Alright, I'm going to have to figure out how to tighten this up now. Let's put this back on there. I've got to get some air to it somehow. But that's going the wrong direction. Right way there. Now then, I've got to figure out how to hook air up to that so that I can tighten it on up. Don't really have a great way of putting air to that. So I think what I'm going to do is put this impact wrench on there and put air to it to a split second. Get it to release and run it on up pretty good, I believe. Let's see, that is. I don't know if you guys can see how that works or not. I'm going to bring you in a little bit closer there. Try to, so you can see how that works. All right, when I apply air right here, if you look right in here, you can see this gap open up between the front cover. See that open up there? And then your blade spins. Let off of it and the whole pulley spins. So that's how that works. Your fan belt drives this, but when you apply air here, it splits, and then it's freewheels like that right there. You make the air pressure, and it locks on. But the other one was obviously burned up, and that one there is not going to last very long with that front cover like that, I don't believe. But I think it'll work for right now, and I will get another one ordered, a rebuild kit ordered.